Do you want to know what all these lenses have in common? And no, it is not that they're all Fujifilm. It's way more exciting than that because they're on cashback. That's right, if you purchase a selected lens up until the 31st of May, you can claim up to £175 cashback from Fujifilm. Now it might not look it, but I do actually have 4 of the lenses with me right now, so let's take a closer look. First up is the XF14mmF2.8 R lens, an ultra-wide-angled prime that's ideal for expansive landscapes and architecture. Its wide f2.8 aperture also means it'll perform well in low light, perfect for astrophotography. It also features distance and depth of field scales on the barrel, making it suitable for a range of shooting techniques such as pre-focusing. Next is the XF10-24mmF4 R OIS WR lens. A great choice for those looking for a bit more versatility while still giving you that ultra wide angle ideal for landscapes, architecture and travel. With a minimum working distance of just 24 centimeters, you'll also be able to create some beautiful macro style photography while still taking in the background. It's small, compact, now offering you improved image stabilization and dust and moisture resistant. Then we have the XF50-140mm f2.8 R lens, and it's super versatile. Designed for clarity, capturing every detail, its constant f2.8 aperture, silent fast AF, image stabilization and weather-resistant construction make it the ideal choice for portraits, sports and wildlife. Lastly, the XF70-300mm f4 R OIS WR lens. A compact and portable telephoto zoom offering a broad range of focal lengths. It's ideal for both wildlife and sporting moments where you can't get close to your subject, or travel and landscape scenes where you want that beautiful compression, or to capture those distant landmarks without needing multiple lenses with you. If you'd like to find out any more information on any of these Fujifilm lenses or the cashback offer, then head on over to jessops.com now or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!